Hey there, friends! Welcome to another fun adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about one of the most delicious and famous fruits in the world, bananas. Are you ready for some fun facts? Let's peel into it. Did you know that bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world? That's right, people all over the globe eat more bananas than any other fruit. They're sweet, yummy, and easy to eat. Plus, they come in their very own handy peel, so you can enjoy them anytime, anywhere. Bananas grow on trees, but guess what? They're not actually technically trees. The banana plant is a giant herb, which means it's more like a big leafy plant than a tree. It's the biggest herb in the world. Bananas start out green, but when they ripen, they turn yellow. But hold on, bananas can be other colors too. Some bananas can be red or purple. That's right, bananas aren't just yellow. They come in lots of fun colors around the world. Here's a super cool fact. Bananas are packed with potassium. What's potassium? It's a mineral that helps keep your muscles and heart healthy. So every time you eat a banana, you're helping your body stay strong and healthy. Bananas are so easy to peel. Have you ever tried peeling a banana from the bottom? It's a trick that monkeys use, and it makes the peel come off much easier. Give it a try next time. Bananas are also packed with fiber, which helps keep your tummy happy and healthy. So if you're feeling hungry, just grab a banana and you'll be full of energy for all your adventures. Bananas are super fun to use in recipes too. You can make banana bread, banana smoothies, or even freeze them to make yummy frozen treats. Bananas are a snack you can enjoy in so many ways. Did you know that monkeys love bananas? They're one of a monkey's favorite snacks. But guess what? Humans aren't the only ones who enjoy them. So do elephants, birds, and even bats. Animals all around the world enjoy this tasty fruit. Bananas don't just taste great. They're a healthy, easy snack that gives you energy to play, learn, and have fun all day long. So next time you're hungry, grab a banana and enjoy all of its yummy goodness. That's all for today's fun banana facts. I hope you learned something new and exciting about this awesome fruit. What's your favorite way to eat a banana? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time, fruit fans! Super thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe. Visual text on screen with a banana mascot waving.